Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to help you fix Snapchat if it's not loading stories. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you open up Snapchat, let's open up Snapchat here, and we swipe over, and we're trying to watch these various stories, but it's just not letting us watch any of these stories. There's a couple of different things that you can do to get your stories working again and loading so that you can watch them and not buffering and all that stuff. There are kind of three different steps that I'll walk you through. The very first thing is we can open up Safari here and we'll just type in speed test on Google. And we'll just want to run this quick speed test, and if there's anything that's faster than say 5 or 10 megabytes per second, then you have fast enough internet to certainly be able to load those stories. So if your internet is fast enough, then you don't have to worry about that. If it's really slow, one of the things that you can do is you can swipe down from the top right here and you can toggle off your Wi-Fi. And this will switch you from Wi-Fi to your cellular data plan. And sometimes that's just faster wherever you are. So that could be a good option to switch over, and you might have a faster internet connection and on your cellular network plan. Now, the second thing that you'll want to do after you make sure that your internet is fast enough is to make sure that Snapchat servers are not down, there aren't any kind of issues with Snapchat itself. So again, in Safari or Chrome, let's just type in, is Snapchat down? And then we can go to down detector right here. And then scroll down and you can see there's no huge spikes in reports that Snapchat is down. There's no big kind of indication that something is wrong with Snapchat. If there is, then of course you know that the stories are not loading because Snapchat just is down. The servers are not working. You have to wait until their servers are back running and working correctly until you can load your stories. But if this isn't a problem, if there's no big indication that the servers are down, the very last thing that we can do is to head into our settings here, and then we'll just scroll down until we get to general, and then iPhone storage. You can see iPhone storage there. And then we'll just wait for that to load up and then go down to Snapchat, and we'll offload this app and then reinstall it when it's ready. And the reason why we do that is because it kind of removes and refreshes the core Snapchat files within the app itself and updates it to the latest version. It doesn't remove any of our DMs or drafts or login information and all that stuff. But if there's a bug in Snapchat itself, it kind of reinstalls that and makes sure that wipes out any kind of bug on Snapchat. And once it's done, you can open it up again, and then you can swipe over and watch these various stories on Snapchat. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.